In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Trello card template. Trello is an incredibly useful tool for managing projects and staying organized, and creating templates for your cards can save you a ton of time in the long run. So let's dive right into it and get started. First, head over to Trello.com. If you haven't already logged into your Trello account, you'll want to click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the web page. You have a couple of options for signing in. You can log in using your email or opt to use your Google account for a quicker access, especially if you're already signed into Google on your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. From here, navigate to the boards section to see all the boards you're a part of. Your boards are neatly organized under your workspaces section, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Browse through this section and click on the specific board where you wish to create your card template. This is your workspace, and each board is essentially a project or subject area where you can organize tasks and ideas. After opening your chosen board, look for the list where you would like to set up your template. Click on a card within that list to highlight it. Once the card opens up, you will see various options to customize and manage the card. Here, you want to focus on the option that allows you to create a template. Simply click on Make Template, which is usually prominently displayed. This action converts your existing card into a template card. Now, your card is officially a template, meaning you can replicate it for future tasks or projects, maintaining consistency across your workflow. Templates are a great way to save time as they eliminate the need to manually input repetitive information over and over again. With that done, once you're satisfied with your template card and you don't need to make any further changes, you can close the card by clicking on the X in the top right corner of the card menu. This will take you back to your board where you can continue working or create more templates as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Trello card template. Utilizing templates in your Trello boards can enhance your productivity and streamline your planning process. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your project management experience even more efficient. Stay organized and keep leveraging Trello to its fullest potential.